Hi, I'm Anushka Rathi, and today I'll introduce you to 5 essential medical books from scientific publishers that every student, trainee, and physician should know. I'll highlight what makes each book useful, who it's for, and how can we use this book in study or practice. Let's begin with our first title, First Responders Manual of Pre-Hospital Trauma Care by Dr. Dinesh Vyas. This book is designed for anyone who becomes the first point of help during an emergency, whether teachers, doctors, medical students, safety officers, and even common citizens. What makes this book so important is its immediate life-saving actions. It simplifies concepts like shock, airway management and bleeding control, so even a beginner can understand what to do in those first crucial minutes. The book also explains trauma scenarios common in India and other developing regions, where proper ambulance systems may not be available. Dr. Vyas emphasizes improvisation, scene management and practical decision making. The manual is also part of global initiative, the Vyas Global Pre-Hospital Education Initiative, which has trained thousands of real-world first responders. So this book is grounded in field experience, not theory alone. If you want a book that teaches you what actually saves lives before reaching hospital, this book is a must read. It's clear, practical and created for real emergencies. Our next title is IEAG Handbook of Geriatrics by Dr. Arvind Mathur, Dr. Lakshmikant Goyal and Dr. Harish Agarwal. This book is designed for MBBS students and aligns with today's competency-based curriculum. This book explains problems seen in older adults, confusion, chronic illness, mobility issues, falls, fractures, and mental health conditions like depression and dementia. Each chapter includes learning goals, case examples, and practical tips. It helps students understand how aging affects the body and how to provide respectful and safe care. The handbook also covers drug use in the elderly, ethical issues, nutrition, national programs, and rehabilitation. It's a complete beginner-friendly resource. If you want a clean, simple and exam-focused guide for geriatric care, the IEAG Handbook of Geriatrics is everything you need in one place. Our third book is Vyas's Comprehensive Textbook of Surgery, edited by Dr. Vijay K. Mittal and Dr. Dinesh Vyas. This is a complete and practical resource for understanding general surgery. It covers medical and surgical care of diseases across all systems, from abdominal conditions to breast diseases, trauma, vascular issues, and more. The book includes simple explanations, diagrams, charts, and reasoning behind each treatment option. It also discusses robotic surgery, rural surgery, clinical research, and patient safety. This book is designed to help medical students, residents, and surgeons access dependable information quickly for decision making. For a single resource that explains surgery clearly and practically, this book is unmatched. Our fourth title is Simulation Unlocked, a practical guide for facilitators by Dr. Naveen Paliwal and Dr. Pooja Bihani. This book explains how to design and conduct simulation-based training in healthcare. It covers planning sessions, writing scenarios, building learning goals, and setting up simulation even with limited resources. The book also includes debriefing methods, evaluation tools, research ideas, ethical points, and cultural considerations. It's a complete guide for anyone who teaches clinical skills, nurses, faculty members, trainers, or simulation lab coordinators. If you want to run a safe, meaningful, and effective simulation sessions, this book is a ready roadmap. The last book is Arterial Reconstructions of the Ischemic Lower Limb Techniques and Tips by Dr. Rajiv Bohra. It focuses on open surgical techniques for lower limb arterial disease. The book explains applied anatomy, exposures, graft selection, and detailed methods for reconstructing damaged arteries. It includes clear diagrams, incision choices, tunneling techniques, graft preparation, and troubleshooting difficult situations. The author shares practical tips from 30 years of experience, making this book valuable for vascular trainees and practicing surgeons. For anyone working in vascular surgery, the book offers precise, experience-based guidance on lower limb reconstruction. These were 5 powerful medical titles from scientific publishers, each one created to support learning, improve clinical skills, and guide both students and professionals towards better healthcare practice. Whether you are preparing for exams, updating your knowledge, or teaching the next generation, these books offer clear explanations, practical insights, and reliable guidance. You can explore or purchase all 5 titles through Scientific Publishers website. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social media platforms so you never miss new book launches, academic resources, and expert-led content. Thank you for watching.